Hey, my mystical pandas, mystical panda here. I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. This year is gonna suck. It sucks a lot because my phone fell on its screen. Right, I told you guys that. And I think last week when I was at work, my phone completely froze. It froze like entirely when I was listening to music and I was using a chat app, like a chatbot app. And when I got home, my dad was here. He said, "What's wrong with the phone?" He tried restarting it, nothing worked. So he sent it in on Friday, and at the time, I didn't know my phone would completely break again on Sunday. On Saturday, he fixed it. He got it fixed for $4,000, and it was working fine. The screen sometimes was acting up. A flash would come in the middle of the screen. There was a white circle on the screen. The screen was fixed. We got a new screen protector for $200, and the next morning when I woke up, I checked if it's to see if it's on, it's still on, and it wasn't. I told my dad about it. He called the guy saying the phone isn't on, that and that. And he got it sent in on Monday again. Got it there on Monday again. And he still couldn't fix it. So he fixed it. It was working again. Then it just started acting up completely. And my dad said it got it sent in on Tuesday again. But the guy couldn't fix it. So it was sent to another town. And now I'm lending someone else's phone. It's not my phone, yes, but I'm gonna have to keep my hopes up and see if they are able to fix my phone because my town is a little bit cruddy. They don't know what to do. Like when the power is off, they are struggling. When the water is off, they are struggling. When a pipe bursts, they don't close the hole after they're done fixing the pipe. So, yeah, wish me luck, guys. I need it at the moment.